Hi everyone, my name is Joey Gao. I'm a junior at Awana High School. The most recent COVID-19 outbreak really just took everybody by surprise, and as a student myself, I've been following the orders of quarantine, self-isolation, and just doing virtual school. It really also gives me the time to think back, and there's a lot of things I've lost, but I think there's a couple of things I've gained as well, and I want to share that with you guys. First of all, I lost day-to-day interactions with my friends and teachers. Virtual school is definitely not the same thing as actual school, and Zoom meetings and FaceTimes do help, but I wish I could see them in person. And for safety reasons, I have not stepped out of my house for the last month and a half. So to compensate for that, I've been going to my backyard a lot and just exposing myself to the sun, doing some exercises, and listening to some good music. I love fashion and just dressing up, but I don't go out, so I don't get to do that, and I've been in sweats and random t-shirts for the past weeks. I don't really like it, so I decided to do an outfit change. On the bright side, it actually gave me the time to settle down, and I picked up some books. I mean, who reads books these days, huh? But I finished Red Sparrow, Life of Pi, and I'm on Hamlet right now. Also, it gave me the time to intensively watch some movies. My favorite so far is The Irishman. Oh, also The Joker. But I've finished Knives Out, The Gentleman, and tons more. I found it's also a very good time to test your self-discipline, and I'm pretty happy with how I am doing with finishing schoolwork and studying for the AP test and upcoming other exams. I've also took time to do some research on colleges and majors that I had interest to, because in the end, as a student, as a junior this year, next year, I have to deal with college applications regardless of what happens. So I'm glad that I actually have this time to do these things. I think that sums up about everything I've gained or lost. I want you guys to know that you're definitely not alone. Life is an arduous journey, and we're all gonna be in history. Haha. Bye.